welcome back to the new video of this channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you what is PHP. We're gonna learn everything about PHP. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. But first of all, remember, if you don't subscribe the channel, please first subscribe channel, and after that we are gonna learn what is PHP. Now let's know what is PHP. PHP stands for PHP Hypertext Browser. It's a server-side scripting language used to create dynamic websites and web applications. Unlike HTML, CSS, and JavaScript that run in the browser, PHP runs on the web server. Or we can say PHP is a server-side language. When someone visits a PHP page, the browser sends a request, the web server executes the PHP code, PHP generates HTML, and the browser receives only the HTML. The user never sees the PHP code. Why use PHP? PHP is popular because it is free and open source, easy to learn, fast, powerful, cross-platforms, support many databases, huge community, work on almost every hosting service. What can PHP do? PHP can create websites, create web applications, connect to databases, login systems, registration systems, shopping carts, blogs, CMS systems, dashboards, upload files, generate PDFs, send emails, create APIs, handle forms, manage sessions, create cookies, like these things. And now we're gonna learn about popular websites using PHP. Many famous websites use PHP or were built with it. Example, Facebook, Wikipedia, WordPress. More than 75% of websites that use a server-side language are powered by PHP in some form. And now let's know how we can work with PHP. First of all, you need a server and you need a code editor. You can use code editor like VS Code and you can use server like XAMPP. And now I'm gonna show you how you can download XAMPP and VS Code. Look, you can download VS Code from this website, code.visualstudio.com. And then you can choose the platform. Which one do you wanna choose? Mac, Linux, or Windows. If you want to download it for Windows, click on it, it will download automatically. And now let's see what's here. Look, the download is started. And now let's know how you can download XAMPP. You can download and install XAMPP from this website, apachefriends.org. XAMPP, Apache MariaDB PHP plus Perl. You can download it from here. Download for Windows, download for Linux, download for Mac or OS. You can click on download for Windows and download will begin automatically. And now let's know how we can make it. When you install the Visual Studio Code and the XAMPP, you can start the XAMPP first because PHP is a server-side language. You need for a local server or for a server to run your PHP code on it. Okay? For this, we are gonna use XAMPP because XAMPP gave us local server. I'm gonna start Apache and then we are gonna start MySQL. Now we are gonna make a file. How we can make a file? We can go to this PC, this folder, and the XAMPP folder, htdocs and htdocs dashboard. In dashboard, we are gonna make a new folder. For example, what should we give it? PHP code. Okay, this is my new folder. And now we're gonna access it inside the Visual Studio Code. We can go to File, Open Folder. In Open Folder, we are gonna go to our XAMPP folder inside the C drive, htdocs, dashboard. In dashboard, we're gonna find that folder. We're gonna make it PHP code. Enter and select folder. Now we're gonna inside of that folder. Okay, let's make a new file. For PHP code, you have to make a file with PHP extension. Now we are inside of our PHP file. Let's minimize this and close this. And then we are gonna go into XAMPP, and in XAMPP we are gonna go Apache admin. When you click on it, you have to specify the folder name here. For example, what was my folder name? PHP code. Then backward, and what was the file name? index.php. Now we are inside the file. Okay, first of all, let's know the syntax of PHP. Every time you write the code of your PHP, you have to write the like this: question mark PHP, and then question mark, close the tag. Inside of this tag, you can write all of your PHP code. For example, when you want to show something, when you want to output something, you have to write echo done. Double quotes or single quotes, doesn't matter. For example, hello from simple code. Let's see. Let's refresh this. And now you can see it. Hello from simple code. This is our PHP code.